Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text edit in Capcut. First, open the Capcut app and select the video project you wish to edit. Once your project is open, look for the text option in the bottom menu bar and tap it. Then, select Add Text and simply type out the words you want to appear in your video. It's a straightforward process to get your text on screen. After adding your text, you can customize its appearance. Tap on the text box in your timeline to bring up editing options. Here, you can change the font style, adjust the size, and pick a color that matches your video's aesthetic. You can also make your text bold, italic, or underlined. Don't forget to experiment with the opacity slider for a subtle or prominent look. Capcut offers a fantastic range of text effects and bubbles to make your text pop. Dive into the Effects and Bubbles tabs to find styles that suit your content. You can also add dynamic movement with animation, choosing how your text enters and exits the screen. For even more advanced visuals, try the text tracking feature to follow objects in your video. Once you're happy with all your text edits, take a moment to review everything to ensure it looks perfect and is free of any typos. When you're ready, tap the Export button, usually located in the top right corner, and choose your desired resolution and frame rate. Capcut will then render your video with all your fantastic text work. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.